Cinnamon and ginger, when brought together, create a dynamic duo of flavors and health benefits. Cinnamon, with its warm and sweet taste, has long been prized for its potential to regulate blood sugar levels, thanks to its active compound, cinnamaldehyde. Ginger, on the other hand, boasts a spicy and earthy flavor profile and is celebrated for its anti-inflammatory and digestive properties, attributed to gingerol. When combined, these two spices offer a potent mix of antioxidants, making them a formidable force against oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Moreover, this combination has been associated with improved digestion, reduced nausea, and enhanced immune function. Cinnamon and ginger can also contribute to better heart health by supporting healthy blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Whether incorporated into culinary dishes or steeped as a fragrant tea, the fusion of cinnamon and ginger not only enhances the taste of your meals, but also paves the way for a healthier, more vibrant life.